Hello everyone, it's Varun here, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to translate a string from the theme. And most of the time we are going to use the loco translate plugin to translate all the string. BuddyX theme is translation ready, and you can use it for any language of website. If you install the loco translate, you can navigate back to the theme section inside the loco translate menu, and there you can find the BuddyX option. You just have to select it, and then the new language what you are going to translate. Suppose that I'm going to just modify a couple of string and use as English language. We have to make sure you are going to save all the files inside this language themes BuddyX this path. So you have to use the system path. If you are using the author path, then after any update of the theme, these files will be lost, so all your modification will be lost. So you have to make sure you are going to utilize the system path, because this is outside the theme directory and it will stay safe there even after the update. Demo file inside those folders, and you can start translating all the available string which are part of the theme. And once you modify those elements, then it will start displaying the same text or the wordings what you have used for that string at front end or back end option. Let me know if you have any issues with utilizing these features. Our support will help on those things. Thank you.